Show Daddy.
Daddy, watch.
Wow, man, that's cool.
I want to open this.
Here, let's open another present. Want to get that one? Those over there? Those are all for you.
Whoa, me?
All for you.
Open this one.
Here. Here. What is it? I think there's more in the bag, bud.
Mom.
Just pull it out.
Ooh, more trolls.
What is it?
A big pants.
And the shirt?
Big pants.
What does it have on it?
Gophers.
Gophers. How does he know that those are gophers?
I don't know. Well, are they gophers? They look like they could be
Oh,
gophers. Like that.
porcupines.
Let me see. Or actually, I was gonna say more like porcupines.
I don't even know what gophers are. And what is this?
A porcupine.
And a soccer ball.
And a soccer ball. And there are two porcupines.
There's more, bud.
Oh, idea.
No, those are for tonight.
Oh, baby, those presents right there, right under the tree.
Open this one.
Whoa, what is that? That's a new truck with new big boots, guys, huh? Big truck, too. What kind of truck is that?
I don't know.
Look at it. Tell me what kind of truck that is.
Fine truck.
That's right.
They're the rescue guys, huh?
Yes.
Okay, you want to grab that one? I think at this age it's more of the thrill of opening presents.
Yeah, of course. What's that?
Do you think you like superheroes?
They don't have a button.
We'll find out. We'll figure it out when we open it. Here.
I want to open it.
Yay!
I want to open it.
We will. We have a few more to open first.
Which ones?
The ones from Mimi.
Oh.
What is that?
Mommy, look it.
Is that an airplane?
That's really cool.
What else?
See what else you got in your stocking, dude. Oh, your cookies got, one of your cookies got broken, huh?
Yes, but I can eat them. Candy cane!
Oh. Do you know what that is, babe? Did you just pull out? Jelly beans.
My own jelly beans.
Yeah, make sure and blow your fan on them.
You're so silly.
You need to make sure and fan them off.
Anything else in your stocking?
It looks like there's something else in there at the bottom.
Put your hand all the way down at the bottom. Put your airplane down.
Just put your airplane down for a second and see. Reach way down there and see if there's anything else in there.
Nothing.
Nothing?
I think it looks like there's something else in there. Oh!
This candy idea.
Yeah. Yay! Okay, you want to open that one now?
Oh yes. I'm really strong.
Hang on, bud.